Tesla stock is not reacting to simple bad news today, it is reacting to one unanswered question. Will China open the door for Tesla's FSD? That is the key point investors should watch right now. Hi everyone, Ken here. Today's Tesla update is not about a huge product launch or a dramatic announcement, but it is still very important for understanding Tesla right now. There are three things I want to focus on today. First, the market is still waiting for a clear answer on FSD approval in China. Second, TSLA stock is moving roughly because investors are waiting for that answer. And third, Tesla is quietly improving the owner experience with a supercharger waitlist system, while also expanding its presence in India. So today, let's look at what is really happening behind the headlines. Let's start with China FSD. Elon Musk recently joined President Trump's visit to China and participated in meetings with Chinese officials. This became a major topic for Tesla investors. But the important point is this: the market is not excited simply because Elon Musk went to China. The market is focused on whether this could bring Tesla closer to FSD approval in China. That is the real catalyst. China is one of Tesla's most important markets and also one of the most competitive EV markets in the world. If Tesla can bring FSD to China, it could strengthen Tesla's software revenue story and improve its competitive position against Chinese EV makers. That is why investors are watching this so closely. But here is where we need to stay calm. At this point, there has not been a clear official announcement confirming FSD approval in China. Yesterday, the big news was the visit itself. Today, the question is different. Did that visit lead to a concrete result? And for now, that answer is still unclear. This does not mean the news is negative. It means the market is still waiting. And Tesla stock often moves this way. Expectation comes first. The stock reacts, then investors wait for confirmation. If confirmation does not come quickly, short-term profit taking can happen. So today's movement looks less like a bad news sell-off and more like an expectation reset. This is important for investors. A stock pullback does not always mean the business is getting worse. Sometimes it simply means the market needs more details. When could FSD be approved in China? Would it be a limited rollout? Which regions would be included? What conditions would regulators require? Until those answers become clear, TSLA can move sharply in both directions. So I would separate this into two things: business risk and timing risk. Right now, this looks more like timing risk. The potential is still there, but the official confirmation has not arrived yet. Next, let's talk about Tesla owners. Tesla is testing a virtual waitlist system for superchargers. This may sound like a small feature. It does not make the car faster, it does not increase charging speed, it does not improve battery range. But I still think it matters. Because when a supercharger station is crowded, the problem is not only waiting, the problem is uncertainty. Who arrived first? Who is next? How long will I wait? Is someone cutting the line? These small frustrations affect the real ownership experience. So if Tesla can use software to make charging wait times more organized and fair, that is a practical improvement. It is not flashy, but it is useful, and this is one of Tesla's strengths. The company can improve the experience even after the car has already been sold. This also connects to Tesla's ecosystem. Many automakers can build EVs. Some can offer good range, some can lower prices. But Tesla's strength is that the vehicle, app, charging network, navigation, and software updates are connected. That allows Tesla to improve small parts of the ownership experience over time. The supercharger waitlist may not move the stock immediately, but it helps protect Tesla's brand and customer loyalty. For long-term investors, these small updates are worth watching. Now, let's look at India. Tesla has opened a new experience center in Bengaluru. Bengaluru is one of India's major technology cities, with many IT workers, entrepreneurs, and wealthy consumers. So from a brand perspective, this location makes sense, but we should not overreact. India is not going to become the next China for Tesla overnight. There are still major challenges. Vehicle prices are high, import duties are an issue, charging infrastructure is still developing, and local production remains an important question. So I would not see this as an immediate sales explosion. I would see it as a long-term positioning move. Tesla is slowly building brand awareness and preparing for future growth. This is the bigger picture. China FSD is the main unanswered catalyst. The Supercharger waitlist is a quiet improvement to the ownership experience, and India is a long-term market-building story. Today's Tesla news is not one dramatic headline. It is a mix of expectation, software improvement, and global expansion. And that is why investors need to look deeper than the daily stock move. Finally, let's check Tesla's stock price. Today, Tesla is trading around $445. The stock is moving a little lower, but again, I do not see this as a simple negative signal. To me, the market is still waiting for the next clear answer, especially around China FSD. For long-term Tesla investors, the key question is not whether the stock moves up or down today. The real question is whether Tesla is still expanding its software opportunity, improving the owner experience, and building foundations in future markets. And today, I think the answer is still yes. China FSD has not been confirmed yet, but it remains an important potential catalyst. The Supercharger waitlist may be small, but it improves the daily Tesla experience. India may not become huge tomorrow, but Tesla is clearly preparing for the long game. So today, I would describe Tesla as a company waiting for one major regulatory answer while quietly strengthening its ecosystem. That is the bigger picture. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Life in the Future. I cover Tesla, AI, autonomy, energy, and the future of investing every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next Tesla update. Before we wrap up, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I drive a Tesla Model Y, and at home, I've installed a Tesla Powerwall, so I actually charge my car with solar energy. I truly believe Tesla is shaping the future, and that's why I share the latest news and insights here on this channel. I'm from Japan, but I want to connect with Tesla fans all around the world. That's why I also create an English version of my videos. YouTube now lets you switch the audio into your own language, so you can enjoy it in whatever language you prefer. Most of all, I'd love to connect with Tesla fans everywhere so we can support Tesla together. I also share updates on X, so feel free to follow me there and let's connect. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.